So guys, if your beard has been feeling a little bit drier, maybe the skin has been getting a little bit more irritable, a little bit flakier throughout winter, then this video is for you. During the winter months, my skin, my beard goes through a few little changes. My skin overall gets a lot more sensitive, and there's just 4 things I tend to do just to mix up my beard care routine during the winter months. So, tip number 1, throughout winter, minimize the amount of times you are washing your beard with a beard shampoo or a beard wash of any kind. Hopefully you guys aren't using sort of the hair shampoo, because hair shampoo will completely obliterate your beard of any natural oils. Your hair is a lot greasier and muckier than your beard, and the shampoos that are designed for your hair are a lot stronger, so that will strip away and make your hair feel very brittle and weak. So you want to avoid that first off. Now, if you are using beard shampoos and beard washes, just use them once a week. You don't need to use them every single day. I would say that tip number 2 is all about beard oil, because beard oil is your friend during the winter months. I typically only oil my beard sort of once a day, but when I do, I tend to use just a few extra drops. I typically use it either in the morning or at night. I don't use it at both times of the day. And in the morning I use it typically when the beard is just a little bit moist. Yeah, I'm gonna use the word moist. So that's when I would typically use beard oil. In addition to that though, just a couple of extra drops depending on the type of beard oil you are using. If you're using a lighter beard oil, you might want to switch over to a heavier beard oil that's just going to sit on your face, in your hair for a bit longer before it absorbs fully. And I think just by doing that, your skin and your beard hair is going to be feeling a lot better throughout winter. Now, my favourite way of washing the beard, and you can hate on me in the comments a little bit for this, because I've only just started doing it maybe in the last couple of weeks, is co-washing the beard. I've heard about co-washing for some time, just using a beard conditioner just to get the most out of your beard, get all that mucking stuff out of it, but without stripping it of all the natural oils. You still want to keep that beard feeling soft and silky, and washing it with a conditioner definitely does that. So yeah, co-wash the beard as much as you want throughout winter. I still wouldn't do it every single day, but just as a bit of an experiment, over the last sort of 3 or 4 days, I just co-wash the beard every single day, and it feels pretty good. So don't stress too much about it if you want to do it more than just once. For me, I use one product more than any other product throughout the winter months, and that's beard butter. I'm actually using one of my own beard butter, so it's a Beardster beard butter. Back in the summertime, I was selling beard oils as Beardster beard care, and yeah, I stopped doing that just because I ran out of time. It wasn't becoming enjoyable because it was so stressful, because I was running a consultancy, I was working crazy amount of hours, and then I was doing the product things on the side, and I just couldn't keep up with it. But I still like to use my own products, so I'm still using the Beardster beard butter, because I've just not found a beard butter that comes anywhere. Switching over to a beard butter is probably the best thing I can advise you to do. The butters that are in a beard butter are normally very high in the natural fatty acids. They give a good layer to the skin and beard. They really deeply condition the beard, quite similar to a beard oil. They give you that extra element of hold and style. I mean, I've got a beard butter in today. It's the chai lemon beard butter, and it looks good. It makes my beard feel good. It feels conditioned. I can feel the product in there, and it just doesn't matter about the weather, whether it's really harsh winds, lots of rain, snow, it makes the beard feel awesome. So they're my top 4 tips to mixing up your beard care routine throughout the winter months. Let me know what you would advise. What do you do differently? Do you actually do anything differently whatsoever? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys very soon. Goodbye.